Let's go, Boss Up, baby. It's your boy Boss Up with K back with another great app. Talking about these apps, get these driving gigs, delivery gigs, how to earn some extra income on the side. If you want to be a full-time courier, these apps help you build up to that method, to that point where you can get out the 9 to 5 rat race and start making your own money on your own time. Let's get into it. Great app. I'm gonna talk about DOlly. Yes, DOlly. Great app. I did it, full version of this video, review of this app a couple of months ago, but I'm going to do another one for the new subscribers to this channel. Now, I am actually going to get signed up and start doing some routes for this. I've heard some good and some bad things. Primarily kept me away from actually using this app. I was hearing mostly bad things, but I've been checking out some other YouTubers, talking to some other people who use the app, and they say, it is competitive, but they pay, and it's still a great way to make some extra income. So I'm going to try it out, get my own personal experience, and share it with you guys. But basically what the DOlly app is, it is primarily for van and pickup trucks. So sorry, large SUVs, small cars. This one is not for you. This is one pickup trucks and vans, large vehicles, because you're moving mostly large household items, sofas, beds, couches, whole apartments, large screen TVs, whatever people need moved around. They'll book you to move, and as well as large box stores like Big Lots, Costco, Sam's Club, Purple Mattress. You're moving around mattresses, moving around big TVs, and you can't use a small vehicle. So, of course, they have a side where you can book people. So if you need that for your service, for your business, contact DOlly. But we're here to show you how to get paid being a driver or being a helper. So you not necessarily need a vehicle. You can be a helper to somebody and make a little bit less, but the best money is becoming a full-time delivery driver. I'm seeing figures on their website saying $50 an hour just to be a mover. I'm sure that does include gas and mileage. You got to calculate that yourself, boss up, do your own research, and figure out how much you need to make a day, how many miles you're going to travel. If it works out for you, then book the load. It's all on demand. It's not they forcing you to go anywhere. You look at it. If it's something you want to do, then you accept it. But these type gig apps, these type on-demand gig apps are highly competitive. First come, first serve, so you don't have a lot of time to kind of research. You got to kind of know what you're looking for, know what you need, know how far you're willing to drive in your city, and then book that load and get rolling. But let's go ahead and take a look inside the website, have a look at what's going on with DOlly. Let's go. All right, so we are in the DOlly website. Check them out. Now, this is the website. Basically, you can hire a driver. You can see all the box truck retailers, not box truck, big box retailers they work with. $50 an hour. That's what they say on their website. But we got to get the real ourselves. That's why I'm going to go out and start booking some loads on here. But you see, come here, become a helper, own a qualified vehicle. You can make $50 an hour if you assist people and lifting big things. You can make up to $35 an hour. So you can become a hand or become a helper. We're going to become a helper. So like I said, they need large vehicles, box trucks, cargo vans, SUVs with a trailer. So you can't just have an SUV. You have to have a SUV with a trailer. And here are the markets. Hope you can see this drop down. I know these drop down boxes hardly show up on these videos, but like I said, they got coming soon, Charleston, Columbia, Jacksonville, some places they're coming. A lot of cities in Florida they're coming, but they are already in majority of the large cities: Chicago, Boston, Indianapolis, Houston, Las Vegas, LA, majority of the New York 5 boroughs, Phoenix, Pittsburgh, Orlando, Providence, Rhode Island. Hardly see anything about Rhode Island, but we got them. Savannah, Georgia, San Francisco, San Jose, Seattle, Washington. Had a guy bugging me on Facebook about Seattle, Washington job. I can tell he didn't watch many of my videos. I don't necessarily need money from you guys, but I do want you guys to watch my videos at least 30 minutes. My videos are only 10 minutes long, so you watch 30 minutes worth of videos. I guarantee you'll learn enough to get some work and start landing some contracts, start getting some gig apps. All right, so you see where they are. Just put your name on the application. They'll get right back to you. All right. Very straightforward process. I'm going to make this video not longer than it needs to be. You see the pay, top performers can earn up to $60 to $90 an hour. But I'm going to give you some ride-along videos when I actually complete some jobs. There are other YouTubers that are already out there doing DOlly work. Just search DOlly on YouTube. You will find them. See what they're doing, see their methods, see what they're driving, see it is best for you. All right. Until next time, boss up with these gig apps. Later.